Don't punish me, Lord, or even correct me when you are angry. Have pity on me and heal my feeble body. My bones tremble with fear, and I am in deep distress. How long will it be? Turn and come to my rescue. Show your wonderful love and save me, Lord. If I die, I cannot praise you or even remember you. My groaning has worn me out. At night my bed and pillow are soaked with tears. Sorrow has made my